Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Matteson, local and long-distance movers near me. Our staff of professional movers can ensure your long-distance move goes properly. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 3,000 miles away, we can assist. With us, you get all the right moving services to make moving a lot easier. Along with the standard long-distance moving solutions, we also offer all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Choosing to work with a local Illinois moving company may not seem like it's worth the price. A local moving company delivers many advantages. We can make it all worth the cost. Any decent moving company will likely help you save time on your local move. Avoiding the heavy lifting also offers additional benefits you get from using the best local movers. When you choose our movers, you get specialists ready to make your local move super simple. Moving day becomes super easy with 3 movers, and we can prove your whole entire move. A move that would take you all weekend to perform, we can handle in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Matteson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.